Welcome to this tutorial on our Blender add-on. Basically, in this tutorial, in this with this add-on, Blender add-on, you can merge the bust and body models. So basically, that's what it's do, and this is the recommended workflow. We do not recommend the you try out the plugin method because it takes time and it's not that the UX is not at all great and it's counterintuitive and it has problems. This is far more natural and easier. So first of all, you install this GM head swap aligner. SS151, that's the latest version. Then you click on the Blender add-on toolbar. Click on the toolbar shows. So import body GLB. First we import the body model. Future woman body model. This one is it. Then we import the bust model. Now let's see the model. Click on the shader tab to see the shader. So you will see this kind of weird kind of missing head thing. You can you need to, rather not you can, you need to modify the settings in the body cut Z setting, cut planes, body cut Z. Let's fix this to 3.25. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it cover it cut down, or it increase the visibility of the bus, but also you can see that there is this hollowness. The mesh gets deleted if you according to the value you set here. So we need something higher, 3.4. Let me see that. No, we still need something higher, 3.45. Yes, 3.45 does it. The mesh is there, everything is set. Now we need to change the body, the bus size. So, bus scale, this is where we change the bus side. Let's see, 2.2, 0.22, 0.22. Let's move the body upward a bit. 0.35. That's loading the head part. 0.38. A little bit more. 0.39. Now let's zoom in. Let's view it a little bit down. 0.385. 0.385. A little bit more down. 2. Now let's see. It has still a crack. Let's fix this. 0.315. 3815. Now it appears to be okay. Let's raise the head a bit, and it needs to be a bit smaller, I guess. It needs to be a bit smaller. 0.21 point. 0.2, and we need to body cast burst for 2, 0, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5. Yes, this is it. We need to raise the head a bit. 0.3, 0.37, 39, 0.4, 0.4. Now let's increase the bus scale along the z-axis. 2, 3. I think we need to, let's click the draggable plane. This one is important. Show the plane. You can see this plane over here. You click it, then you press Z, then you again work on the body cut Z values. 40. Yes, that did it. That did it. I think that's good. You play around with this to hide cut draggable plane that determines where the bust is being cut, and then you use the body cut Z values to let it come to the fore. I think this is good. Let's view it from the side. Yeah, it's good. Let's 0.23, 23, 0.23. Now let's come to the fore. It looks okay. I guess the head is a bit larger than usual, but it's okay, I guess. Let's see from the side. We can move it a bit forward, I think. So is that this value? This is moving to the side, I guess. No, that's okay. The value is good. 0.001. Yeah, it is this value. We need to make the body cut 4, 5. A bit down. 0.41. 0.39. Yes, that should be good. a little more than that, 0.395. Yeah, that should be good. Now you can see the model. Now after you have aligned the bust and body, you need to compose it. Click on compose. The body is now composed into a single mesh. Now you click on export composite. Future woman. Future woman. So there you have it. The file has been exported. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We'll be back.